In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access General Management. Then tap on Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Samsung Keyboard. Now tap on Smart Typing. As you can see, all typing options are over here. To manage them, you can click on the switchers next to the chosen ones, or click on the chosen one and click on the switcher here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!